Hello students, today I am going to teach you 7th standard chapter 1 exercise 1.1. First question, following number line show the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So they have recorded a temperature on day 1 in particular places. Lahore Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore. Lahore Spiti is -8, Srinagar is -2, and Shimla is 5, Ooty is 14, and Bangalore is 22. So Bangalore 22, Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius, Shimla is 5 degree, Srinagar is -2, and Lahaspati is -8 degrees Celsius. So now observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Just you have to write the place name, that is places and temperature. In Lahaspati it is -8 degrees Celsius, in Srinagar -2 degree, in Shimla 5 degree, Ooty 14 degree, and Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. The question, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Here they are given hottest temperature is Bangalore, that is 22 degrees Celsius, and the coldest is Lahuspiti, that is -8 degree. So what is the difference between these two? Difference between hottest and the coldest places ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಹಾಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕೋಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಝೀರೋ ಇಂದ 22 ಇದೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ +22, and the coldest is -8 degree, so 0 to -8. You have to subtract, you have to find the difference, that is minus of -8 degree. So minus of -8 become nothing but that is 22 plus 8. So 22 plus 8 is 30. Hottest temperature among is Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius, and the coldest is 8 degrees Celsius, that is -8. You have to add the difference between, that is 30 degree. So illinda illi 22 ide plus illinda illi 8. So illinda total 20, from 22 to -8 it is 30 degree Celsius. Next question. C. What is the temperature difference between Lahuspiti and Srinagar? Temperature of Lahuspiti is -8 degree. So temperature of Srinagar is 2 degree. So only illinda illi ಎಷ್ಟು degree gap ಇದೆ. So difference means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 degree gap ಇದೆ. That is -8 minus 2 is 6 degree. So the difference of temperature between two places is 6 degree. Okay. Next question. D question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? See, our question, Srinagar and Shimla together ಎರಡು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು temperature is less than the temperature of Shimla. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾಗಿಂತ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ, ಇಫ್ see this is 5 and this is -2. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದೆರಡು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಟುಗೆದರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಶ್ರೀನಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಮ್ಮಿನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರತು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶ್ರೀನಗರ್. ಸಿ, ಅದೇ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಶ್ರೀನಗರ್ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್? ನೋ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶ್ರೀನಗರ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ. Okay. Next, second question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for the correct answers and negative marks are given for the incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So to find the total marks he got, so he has scored 25 in first round, -5 in second round, -10 in third round, 15 in fourth, and 10 in fifth round. So you have to find the total marks at the end. Let us check. Solution. The scores of 5 successive rounds is 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. First thing, you have to add all the positive numbers, that is 25, 15 and 10. The total is 50, and you have to add all the negative points, that is -5, -10, that is -15. And now subtract 50 minus 15, you will get, that is 35. 50 minus 15 is 35. So the total marks His scored at the end was 35. Third question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degree on Monday and then dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? First question. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. That means it rises 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. So, what was the temperature on this day? Solution. The temperature on Monday at Srinagar is minus 5 degrees Celsius. They have informed, then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. That means it drops by 2 degree. That is minus 5. Already it was minus 5. Then it drops 2 degree. That means again it drops to, that is minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. So therefore the temperature on Tuesday at Srinagar was, that is minus 7 degree Celsius. Let us find what was the temperature on Wednesday. So they are given it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. That means it rises by 7 degree. So from negative it becomes positive 4 degree. The temperature on Tuesday it was minus 7 degree and on Wednesday it rose by 4 degree. That means it rises by 4 degree Celsius and we have to add, that is minus 7 plus 4 is equal to minus 3 degrees Celsius. Therefore on Wednesday at Srinagar the temperature was minus 3 degrees Celsius. Fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level at particular point. It is exactly above the submarine floating 1,200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? They have said the flight is flying above the sea level. This is sea level and it is 0 and it is flying above the sea level at 5,000 meter height. And there is a submarine below the sea. The submarine is below the sea, that is 1,200 meter below the sea level. Therefore, what is the vertical distance between two? You have to find the distance between these two, that is the flight and the submarine. Let us see. The height of the plane flying above the sea level is 5,000 meters. The depth of submarine floating below the sea level is 1,200 meters. So we have to add. Therefore, the vertical distance between them 5,000 plus 1,200 meter is equal to 6,200 meters. This is the answer. Next question. Mohan deposits 2,000 in his bank and withdraws 1,642 from it. If withdrawal of amount represents by a negative integer, then how we will represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. See, Mohan deposits 2,000 rupees in account. First, he will deposit 2,000 in account and withdraw 1,642 from it. Let us see. The amount deposited in the bank by Mohan is equal to rupees 2,000. Amount withdrawal from the bank by Mohan is equal to rupees 1,642 and balance amount after the withdrawal is equal to rupees 358. You have to subtract, that is 2,000 minus 1,642 is equal to rupees 358. Let us represent it on a number line. From the number line, balance amount represents the distance between B to A. So it represents difference between B to A, that is marking is B, that is 1,642, A is 2,000, that is deposited amount. The difference between these two amount is 358. B to A is rupees 358. Sixth question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From point B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. So ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ Rita 20 km east ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ first from a point. If she will move towards east 20 kilometers and again from the east she will move 30 kilometers towards west. Let us draw a number line, that is west and east. From the above number line, distance from A to B, that is 20 kilometers. First she will move from A to B and that is 20 kilometers. and again she will move back. First she will move from A to B 20 kilometers towards east, and again she will move back distance from B to C, that is 30 kilometers. Again she will move back from east to west, that is from B to again C of 30 kilometers. So total final position is at C. Now she is at C. So the distance from A to C. So A in the C is difference, that is minus 10 from the original starting point. This is starting point A, and from A to C, that is now she is at the point C and it is minus 10 kilometers. So they have asked, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? So by which integer? So minus 10 is negative integer. You have to write negative integer. Next question. In a magic square, each row and column and diagonal have a same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Actually, magic square means if you add all rows, columns, and if you add it diagonally, you get the same number. So that is why it is called as magic square. Let us check by adding the numbers. Let us add the first row. That is first row is equal to 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. Let us add first all negative numbers, that is minus 1 and minus 4. So minus 1 and minus 4 gives minus 5. Now it is plus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 is, if you add plus 5 minus 5, it gives answer is 0. Minus 5 and plus 5 is 0. First row you got the 0 answer. And second question. Second row, that is minus 5 minus 2 plus 7. Add minus 5 and minus 2. If you add minus 5 and minus 2, it gives minus 7. And next is plus 7. If you add plus 7 to it, minus 7 plus 7 gives answer as 0. So you got the same answer as 0 in the second row also. Let us add third row also. So first there is 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. You should add plus 3 and minus 3, that is plus 3 and minus 3 gives the answer as 0. You got the third answer also 0. Now let us add the columns. First column 5 minus 5 plus 0 is equal to, so 5 is nothing but plus, this is minus 5, plus 5 and minus 5, plus 5 minus 5 gives the answer 0. So the answer here also 0. Next, in second column minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. So minus 1 and minus 2, you should add this minus sign first. Minus 1 minus 2 gives minus 3, and here you should add plus 3 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 gives answer as 0. So you got 0 here, same. Let us add the third column, that is minus 4, 7 and minus 3. Minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. First you should add minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 gives minus 7. And here you add plus 7 plus 7. So minus 7 plus 7 gives answer 0. So you got the same answer 0 here also. Let us check this. The diagonal, first diagonal. First diagonal is 5 minus 2 minus 3. 5 minus 2 minus 3. Add these two first. Minus 2 minus 3 gives minus 5. And add this 5 plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Under the last. Let us add second diagonal. Minus 4 minus 2 0. So minus 4 minus 2. Add these two. Minus 4 minus 2 gives, that is minus 4 minus 2 gives minus 6. Plus 0 gives also minus 6 only. Therefore, you got the difference. Andre ella same month answer. E kadenu same month diagonal. If you add the diagonal like this, you got the same answer as 0. But when you add this diagonal, you got minus 6. That means this is not a magic square. So answer is, therefore it is not a magic square. If you add all the columns, rows and diagonally, you should get the same answer. But here you got a different answer, -6. So it is not a magic square. Second problem. So 1 minus 10 0. First you should add the first row, that is 1 plus minus 10 plus 0, that is -1 and 1 becomes -9. Next second row, -4 -3 -2. So -4 plus -3 plus -2, that is -4 plus 3 7, -2 is -9. You got the same answer as 9. Same answer here also. Third row, that is -6 -7 plus 4, -6 -7, -6 -7 is out there. So 13, -13 plus 4, it gives answer as -9. When you subtract, you should write the greater number sign, that is minus. So -9. So you got same answer as -9. Now let us add first column, that is 1 -4 plus -6. -4 -6 gives -10 and plus 1. See, different sign you should subtract. Same sign add. So different sign means subtract. -10 plus 1. You should subtract, that is 9, and put the greater number sign, that is minus. Now -9. You got the -9 in the first column. Second column, if you add 10 minus 3 gives -13. -13 plus 4, it gives -9. So you got -9. Next is -2. You should add -2 and -7. When you add -2 and -7, you will get the answer as -9. That is -9. And let us add first diagonal. First diagonal is 1 plus -3 plus -7. First you add these two, -3 -7 gives -10 plus 1. So -10 plus 1 is equal to -9. So this is also -9. You got the first diagonal. Now let us check the second diagonal. That is second diagonal, 0 plus -3 plus -6. So -3 plus -6 gives -9. Same sign add and put the same sign. That's all. So you got -9 here also. By this we can say it's a magic square. So it is a magic square. Next problem. Verify a minus of -b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. They give the values a value and b value. By keeping this value, b value itಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Let us see. Right? A, that is a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 21 ಹಾಕೋಣ, b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 18. So let us replace with the values of a and b. A ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 21 minus of minus b, that is 18, is equal to a is 21, b is 18. As it is, see here, minus of minus 18 becomes plus 18 because minus into minus becomes plus. 21 plus 18 is equal to 21 plus 18, you will get 39 is equal to 39. So it is verified. We have verified the answer. Second question, a is equal to 118, b is equal to 125. By replacing the values to the formula, let us check. Let us replace the values a and b. 118 minus of minus 125. See, minus of minus 125 becomes plus is equal to 18 is equal to 118 plus 125. So 118 plus 125 is equal to 118 plus 125 gives 243 is equal to 243, and it is verified. Next question. A is equal to 75, b is equal to 84. Therefore, by keeping the same formula, we replace the values of a and b. We get 75 minus of minus 84 gives plus the 75 plus 84 is equal to 75 plus 84 gives value of 159 is equal to 159. That is verified. Next question. A is equal to 28, B is equal to 11. So by replace the value same, A and B, 28 minus of minus 11 becomes plus 28 plus 11, that is 28 plus 7 is equal to 28 plus 11, 39 is equal to 39. So it is also verified.